My name is Scott Nguyen.
I'm Shelby Novak.
And together we're ID Exclusive. So what is happening in the marketplace as designers? We're noticing our clients are more looking into renovating kitchens and bathrooms mainly, and they're spending a lot of time at home.
You know, there's a few points there. Definitely in real estate, kitchen, bathroom sell homes. So if you are selling or if you're buying, the return on the investment is definitely really high.
As a design firm in Toronto, we are very proud Canadians here, and we do have a very distinctive design style, design look, and certain climates that we have
Necessity,
here.
yeah. Indoor and outdoor climates are different here than what you would get, you know, in California, in Las Vegas, in other parts of, you know, the states, and we are still being kind of rolled up into that market.